Hey everyone, I just wanted to give those following the DIY shed build series an update since it's been a little while since I posted an updated video about it. So basically, an accident occurred while the grass was being trimmed by a weed eater, and the weed eater swung a rock right into the shed's front door, breaking the built-in glass insert. I won't lie, it was a little discouraging at first when I noticed what happened, but I quickly remembered things happen, learn from the mistakes, and keep moving forward. So at the moment, we're still thinking about whether to get a professional to replace the glass or attempt to learn the process and do it ourselves, which will save us a lot of cash. If any of you are interested in seeing how we fix the damaged glass, let us know in the comments and we'll try to film the process. Also, part 7 of the DIY shed build series should be coming out soon, as I'm trying to finish up the vinyl siding on the shed before I post that video, so stay tuned for that. I'll also talk a little bit more about the broken glass issue, but the glass probably won't be fixed in part 7. Anyway, I hope everyone is doing well, and remember, keep moving forward.